What's going on, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks.
On today's episode, we're making spooky fresh baked guts. Yum.
Let's get spooky! Alex, there is a crispness in the air.
I feel it.
And you know what that is?
What's that?
It's fall time.
Oh, wow.
And fall time means one thing.
Pumpkin spice lattes?
And Halloween.
Oh, okay.
And Thanksgiving.
Oh, sure.
And football. That's about it. Right? What else does fall time mean?
Leaves are changing?
But anyways, since it's fall time, it's almost Halloween time, and we're gonna make a spooky dessert for you guys today.
It is going to be really spooky.
This might be the spookiest dish we've ever made.
Yeah, I could say that.
So what we're gonna be doing is making some guts. Some spooky guts.
Some fresh baked spooky guts.
That's right. This is gonna be something you work it up. You got some people coming over and be like, I got a dessert for you. It's gonna be spooktastic.
Yeah.
Dude, the werewolves be howling. It's gonna be so good.
Do you say that normally when you invite people over? I got a dessert for you. It's going to be spooktastic.
I do when there's a crispness in the air.
Okay.
Next time you come over, look out, dude.
All right.
Ghouls and goblins coming out that oven. Dude, it's gonna be fangtastic. Dude, I keep going, dude.
Wow.
How you feel about that?
Oh, jeez. All right, so first things first. Let's talk about it.
So what are we gonna be making these spooky guts out of?
Cinnamon rolls.
That's it. You want me to get them?
Yeah.
All right.
First things first, cinnamon rolls. How many cans? 4.
Might not need this many. I overbought.
I think we might.
Okay.
How many are in here? 5.
So 5, 10.
20.
That's 20 spooky buns.
Yeah, I think we might maybe only need 3.
Buns?
No, 3 cans.
3 cans.
Yeah, 3 cans of buns.
All right.
So yeah, grand cinnamon buns. These are the, oh, hello.
So what we got here are these big boys. There's 5 in a can, so about 4 cans. I don't know if 4 cans would be enough or if 4 cans would be too many, but we're gonna use 1 can at a time.
Yeah, we'll see where it takes us.
So you might be wondering, how are we gonna make blood? We're not gonna tell you right now. Stay tuned.
We're gonna show you how to make these guts bloody.
Are we using real blood? I guess we'll find out.
All right, so let's go ahead and get these popped. So let's just start with 2 cans. That one's already popped, but
Yeah.
I don't know how you get those out.
I think you just pull it.
All right, pull that out. I'm gonna do that. Wow, look at that. Just throw them down.
Well, I gotta open it now.
Are you ready, Alex?
Yes. Do you want to hit it on my fist?
Oh, can I do that?
Yeah. It works every time.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Get down there. Look at this. Doesn't want to come out. All right, so you just want to get your buns out of the can and set your icing aside. All right, so we got the cinnamon buns on our board, but what we're gonna need to do is we gotta unroll. Wow, that just unrolled.
Yeah, it was
Super
ready.
easy. Go ahead, get you one.
Oh.
Oh God. Go ahead, get you one.
Okay.
Okay, so
Now what?
now we sword fight with them.
This is gonna, no.
But you get these out. All right, let's move these out of the way. We're gonna come back for them.
Okay.
So what we gotta do is we gotta put them in, and then you just start intestining them. Kind of like how you think guts would be. I've never gone toe to toe with intestines in real life, so I don't know what it would look like, but you just gotta like, is this what your intestines look like?
Yeah, you've seen my intestines. You really gotta like tangle them up, you know?
Dude, look at this. Looks like a yo-yo. You ready? Walk the dog.
Oh, you flung cinnamon everywhere.
Wait, some's gotta go like far. Yeah, make it like go like far, like weird, and get some like weird little crumples. Can you believe we went from pumpkin spice filet mignon to this?
Yes.
We went high class to let's just make something spooky dooky.
I think we are gonna use all 4 cans.
Do you think so? I got it. Look at that. Oh, I hate it when the cinnamon's on the top.
You mean the icing?
Yeah, the icing is on the top. You think it's gonna come out, but it doesn't. It's like a blizzard, man. if it falls out, you get it for free.
Is that how it works?
You hit up the doughboy and you're like, yo, dog, the icing fell out. Here you go.
Oh, thanks. And he mails you a fresh pack straight to the house, right?
Yeah, just priority mail.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that? You think it would hold up?
No, not refrigerated.
Ooh, cinnamon. Cinnamon town. Dude, I'm already scared.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have enough?
Dude, we better make them work. Stretch them out. Oh, yeah. Whew. Look at this. Oh yeah, perfect. 4 cans was the appropriate amount. Well, I should probably start preheating the oven.
Yes.
So while Alex gets the last can of these whipped down, I'm gonna go ahead and set the oven to 400 degrees.
That's right.
Let me do that.
Look at that.
Dude, something about doing that really gets me going.
Is it very satisfying for you?
It is. I'm just kind of like just pre-doing one over here. Look at this guy. Whew, you're gonna be
Looks like guts.
I know, you're gonna be like, what did this guy eat for dinner?
Dude,
What do you think he ate for dinner? High five.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna go and wash our hands, and then once that oven is preheated 400 degrees, we're gonna get it in for probably like 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just keep an eye on this, because this, you can't trust what the wrapper says, because these aren't curled up.
That's true.
These are gutsed up.
You gotta watch it.
Do you remember Guts?
Global Guts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The aggro crag?
Yeah.
Great show.
Yeah. Mike O'Malley.
Dude, all right, we'll wash our hands. We'll see you when the oven's preheated.
Now that these guts are in the oven, it's time to make the blood.
The blood icing.
Oh.
Let's get the blood icing. So here's a spoon.
Great.
Let's go ahead and get the icing out of these.
Okay.
You think I can get it out without the spoon? Nope. This thing's like a blizzard, man.
It's thick.
Pillsbury Doughboy ain't giving you nothing.
Did you know that they've actually said on record that the icing is meant to be melted Pillsbury Doughboy?
No way.
Yes.
Ew. It's meant to be the melted.
Yeah.
So, hey, you know our cinnamon buns, the icing?
Yeah.
It's our melted mascot. Yeah, get to use that. Use it.
Yeah. So they said that. Oh, thanks.
Why would they say that?
I don't know. I think someone might have been having a bad day.
They're like, you know what? The Pillsbury Doughboy, at holiday parties, he just gets hammered, and he's just not a nice guy.
Yeah.
He made somebody mad.
Right? That's what I thought.
Let's talk about what's going to make this stuff red, because we need it to look bloody.
Oh.
Smucker's Strawberry Jam. What's the tagline for Smucker's? You know it's good with a name like that.
I think it's like Smuck Me.
It's not Smuck Me. That's
Definitely not it.
100%. I'm pretty sure with a name like Smucker's, it's gotta be good. All right, so I'm gonna use some Seedless Strawberry Jam. Look at that in there. Wow, nothing wants to come off the spoons easily. I don't know, 2 spoonfuls. And
We'll see where it goes.
And then we gotta stir it up. There we go. Oh, it is thick.
That does not look like blood. I think you're gonna need the whole rest of the jar.
Yeah, I need more.
It's still pretty pink.
I think there's some chunks in here. There's some icebergs or something. Where are they at? All right, let me do more.
Do you have any red food coloring?
I can look.
I think that's what we need.
All right, we got some food coloring. We're just gonna put this in, see if we can get it redder. It's definitely redder. You want me to do more?
100%.
Give it everything it's got.
Is there like a limit to how much of this you should consume?
We're gonna find out. That looks pretty red. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty red.
All right, so icing was feeling a little neon red. So we put a drop of black in it. So black food coloring. Now look at it.
We got some dirty blood.
It's dirty. It's like this guy got slashed open and just, he was.
Buns are done.
Buns are done.
Our guts are done.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Look at these guts. Alex, those guts look great.
Let's ice them.
Let's get this icing going. Should we go with a high pour or a low pour?
Let's start with a low pour and see what we're dealing with.
More contained? All right. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. Whoop. 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 Jeez. I got the red spoon. We just gotta
You gotta rub it in.
just really, because you know the guts, if you pull the guts out, they are gonna be pretty messy. And the key here is once we get this spread around, we just gotta moosh them in all the crevices.
Wait, do you have a brush?
Oh yeah, I do. Oh
Let's
yeah.
brush it.
Yeah, here, hold on.
Oh, that's the ticket.
Brush time. Oh.
That way you can work it in there.
Oh yeah.
That feels right.
It feels nice for intestines.
Yes.
Dude, if there's any vampires watching this right now, they're like,
Wow.
rule get up!
All right.
Oh. You want to try?
On a brush.
All right. I'm gonna start mushing the blood into all the crevices. Cause that's what you want. Oh, you get it in there. Get it in all these little gut holes.
That looks like intestines. I'm very excited about this.
Are you happy with the blood color?
I am.
You were very worried at first.
It was gonna look too fake. This looks real. This looks like straight meat.
You think it's gonna taste like meat?
Definitely not. That's it. I'm so impressed.
Do you feel the crisp in the air now?
Oh yeah, I'm in the Halloween spirit.
Dude, the breeze blew into town and I'm feeling spooked.
Stick your lips out.
No way.
Stick your lips out.
No way.
Come on.
What do you mean, stick my lips
Yeah,
out?
I need to put some
All right.
lipstick on you. Seriously.
No.
Come on.
My lips will
Tuck
be...
her up.
Alright, wait. No, I can't.
Come on.
Alright, I'll do it.
Live on the edge.
This feels so weird.
How does it taste?
Jammy. You know what time it is?
Time to eat your guts.
Let's eat these guts! Alright. Should we just use our hands or should we get forks?
Let's just go in.
That's more spooky with our
Yeah.
hands? Okay.
Let's get spooky.
I want to get like one that gives me a big old piece.
Oh, jeez. That did it.
So we got some guts.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Dude, the strawberry.
Super good. Dude.
Classic cinnamon buns.
Just classic cinnamon bun with some berries.
The strawberry is legit.
Would you say it's spootastic?
No.
Dude, this is great. Ew.
Bloody.
Some of it looks pretty gross. Like, look at this. Dude, I love spooky desserts.
Do you think we could eat all this?
4 packs of cinnamon buns.
Yeah.
That's 2 each.
Yeah, you think we could do it?
I think we could. Should we is the question. Should we?
The answer is always no.
I want to get like my fist in there. I want to get a big batch of it.
So just go in.
Look at this. Look at these guts. Look at this. You want to get some of it? If that doesn't make it done, what will?
Nothing.
When you hold it in your hands like this, you really feel the weight of the world. You know, you feel like you've just been living your life just as a zombie, dude. Like, I was once alive, then this dude bit me. I got a fever.
Now you're eating
I
guts.
got the chills. I died.
And here you are.
I came back to life.
That's an okay
And
cook.
now I'm like, give me guts. I'm a zombie. Or at least I'm in it with you. Like, if I became a zombie, would you be a zombie with me?
For sure.
Dude, zombie friends forever. This is a nutritious breakfast. Balanced.
It really is.
You got, there's probably eggs in here.
It's a full meal.
I could drink about a gallon of milk right now.
Same.
But you know, the finest of chefs couldn't even attempt this.
You don't think so?
I don't think so, but you know who did?
The okay cooks.
The OK Cooks did.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Leave us a comment.
Yeah.
Let us know if we scared you. I'm slightly scared.
I'm scared.
I went to places I didn't think I'd go.
Really? Where?
It does look like blood.
Yeah, I think we did it.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys next week. Let's get spooky! Is my gut, am I moving the guts too much?
It's jiggling, but in a good way. Here.
You couldn't judge the depth.
Never can.
This is off the thing. Frankenstein. You want more?
Keep it coming.
I can do this all day.
All right, let's have it. Is this a dessert you eat by yourself?
If you eat this dessert by yourself, you shouldn't do that.
Oh, so gutty.
Should we put this bloody cream on them?
I'm about to cream some guts with blood. Could you imagine going into the store and they had these like...
Just sitting there.
Yeah.
Be like, happy Halloween, y'all. You want some intestines? You want some spooky guts? Publix couldn't hang with this.
No.
Publix would be like, we ain't stocking that. But you know where you can get it? The OK Cook cafeteria. Would it be weird to just make guts all year round?
I don't think so.
Dude, Christmas morning, we're having guts. Easter morning, we're having guts. Just a random Thursday morning,
Thursday?
we're having guts.